Shalom everyone, at once again, today's vlog, last part na po ito ng alphabet. Now, mag-start po tayo sa letter P. P can be letter P or letter F. P means mouth. Okay. Printed P. Handwritten P. Kapag ang P ay merong dot, ito ay letter P. Without dot, letter F. Guys, ang letter P merong final letter or suffix. Final letter for printed P. And final letter for handwritten P. This is called suffix in Hebrew. Okay, example. Disney code represent vowel A, silent E, vowel A. For handwritten, now ang basa dyan, parpar, means butterfly. Next letter, chadi, as in TZ, sound cha. Printed chadi, handwritten chadi. Guys, ang chadi meron ding final letter or suffix. Final letter for printed chadi. And final letter for handwritten chadi. This is called suffix in Hebrew. Okay, example. Lagyan natin ng nikod para mabasa. This nikod represent vowel A, vowel A, vowel A. Now, ang basa dyan, salakat. For handwritten, salakat means plate. Okay guys, next letter, cough, as in letter K. Printed cough, handwritten cough. Okay, example. For handwritten, okay guys, lagyan natin ng nikod para mabasa. This nikod represent vowel A, and this nikod represent vowel E. Now, ang basa dyan, cafe, means coffee. Okay, next letter, res, as in R. Guys, ang pagbigkas po ng letter R sa Hebrew, nakataas ang dulo ng dila. Res. Okay, printed res. And handwritten res. Okay, example. This code represent vowel O. Letter Shen may dot sa right side, ito ay SH. Letter Shen dot sa left side, ito ay letter S. 410. Now, ang basa dyan, rose means head. Okay, next letter, shin. Printed shin. And handwritten shin. Guys, kapag ang shin may dot sa right side, ito ay SH. Kapag naman sa left side, ito ay letter S. Okay, example. For 110, this dot represent SH. And this dot represent vowel A. Now, ang basa dyan, Shem means name. Okay guys, next letter. Ito na po ang last letter sa Hebrew alphabet, Tav, as in letter T. Printed Tav. Handwritten Tav. Okay, example. This code represent vowel O. 410. Now, ang basa dyan, Tov, means good. Okay guys, ito naman po ang mga confusing letters. Yud, nakita po natin, very short. Vav, and Nun Sofet. Printed Yud, and handwritten Resh. Guys, ito naman po ang mga letters na may same sound. Aleph and Ain, Bet and Vav, Het, Chaf, and Kof, Samek and Shen, Tet and Tav. Okay guys, this is the 5 letters with Sofet. Printed Kaf and printed Kaf Sofet. Handwritten Kaf and handwritten Kaf Sofet. Printed Mem and printed Mem Sofet. Handwritten Mem and handwritten Mem Sofet. Printed Nun and printed Nun Sofet. Handwritten Nun, handwritten Nun Sofet. Printed Pe and printed Pe Sofet. Handwritten Pe and 100 sofet. Printed sadi sofet, 100 sadi sofet. Okay guys, that's all for today. Hope you enjoy Hebrew alphabet. And guys, don't forget to share, like, comment. At sa hindi pa po nakasubscribe, please subscribe na at huwag rin kalimutan i-click ang notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa mga i-upload kong videos. See you on my next vlog. Hamon-hamon toda, lihit raot!